What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to BarcaLyze. Today we are going to be reacting to none other than Carpetman, as you guys can see behind me. Today the name of the song is called Smoking Cherry, so we're going to check that out. This was a recommendation from Lori, which I don't have her comment or anything here, but this is for you, Lori. She requested this during one of my live streams, and I told her, I promised her I would do it in a separate video. So here we are. This is a new song, Smoking Cherries. It came out about a month ago. And very exciting stuff. I'm very excited to check this out, guys. As you guys know, I do like Carpetman. I think his music is very, very different and very good as well. But guys, before I start this reaction, as always, you guys know me. I do have my coffee with me right here, 24/7, all day, every day, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Very simple. That being said, let's go ahead and get this started, guys. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go.
Around on my soul, and you're walking on your own. I cannot control. You told me to follow you, but I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. I cannot control. I cannot control.
Yo, this is sick, man. I love the vibe of this, man. I always, with Carpetman, the vibe is always gonna be there, man.
I cannot control. I cannot control.
She goes crazy with the magic like a fairy.
Flow away with the smoking cherry.
I'm gonna call it from now. I bet the drop for this, the drop, like the beat drop, I bet it's gonna be crazy, yo.
Goes crazy with the magic like a fairy.
Flow away with the smoking cherry.
Ah, dang, where's the drop? Oh, my bad, here it is.
I knew it. He even said, "Where's the drop?" You know what I mean? He said it. Smoking cherries. I love the cat sound that he just threw in there. This is a vibe, man. You guys see what I mean when I say this is like different music? It's different music. It's kind of odd a little bit. It's so good though, man. At the end of the day, it's really good music right here. This is pure art. I feel like there's hip hop and there's other genres and there's writing and but this is as a whole, as an entire like song, from the editing of it, from the music video of it, that's the way it sounds sonically, the aesthetics of it, all of it, man. It's just it's a piece of art. It's definitely a piece of art. Look at this.
You can burn me to the ground, baby. So make your choice.
with the magic like a fairy.
Flow away with the smoking cherry. Won't not leave, not off your fantasy.
She goes crazy with the magic like a fairy.
She goes crazy with magic like a fairy.
Flow away with the smoking.
Poetic. Woo! Yeah.
Flow away with the smoking cherry.
Ooh, that was sick.
Flow away with the smoking cherry. Wow,
Dope. Very, very sick, man. Very, very sick. Very, very sick. Guys, this was Carpetman, none other than Carpetman, Smoking Cherries. Very, very good song. Very interesting song. I do like it. I definitely do like it. This is definitely gonna hit my playlist 100%. I'm at least gonna listen to this at least 7 more times for this next week. Definitely 100%. So I want to thank Lori again for this recommendation. I want to thank all of you guys for taking the time checking out my reaction. Please guys consider hitting the like button. It really helps me out. Please leave a comment down below. Let me know which song makes the most sense to react to next when it comes to Carpetman. And also subscribe to the channel if you're new. It's your first time coming through my Carpetman reactions. Go check out my previous one. I have maybe about like 5 or 6 different Carpetman reactions. Go check them out and make sure you turn on your notifications, guys. That being said, this has been Carpetman. I've been BarcaLyze. Got my boy right here. And guys, I will see you in the very next video. Take care and peace.